Welcome to Your Love Mystic. I'm Kathryn. Do you ever experience barriers to the love that you so deeply desire and that you know you were born for? We all do. It's part of our humanity. And sometimes we feel like we're hitting our head against the wall. Where did all the love go? Why is this happening? What do all of these barriers have in common? What do you think? The mind. The mind. Yet, we can't simply meditate the mind away. Each of us is in this unique dance with the vibrations of the cosmos. We come and we dance with one another, and sometimes there's a beautiful alignment and it feels fluid and easy, and other times there's a misalignment and it feels really hard and challenging, and we just want to escape, right? We want to escape. We want to feel the love that we know we were born for. That is our destiny. In this meditation, I want to invite you into this process to remove the barriers even for a few moments and experience that deep love from within us. Then the next time our mind is participating in shadow dance with another human being, we can remember, we can take moments in our day where we just let the mind, let our character just sit in a kind space like a child and we have some grown-up time, just us and our soul and the love essence within. I invite you to come into a seated position, feeling your sit bones ground into the earth element. Imagining a red laser beam shoot down into the crystalline core of the earth, connecting you with our one Mother Earth. Feeling grounded and fully present, begin to bring your awareness to your breath. Taking 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through pursed lips, releasing any unnecessary thoughts or negativity or tension. Inhale. Inhale. And inhale. Again, feeling your sit bones anchored into, feeling your sit bones sink into the earth element. Now bringing your hands together, feeling the palms touch one another, fusing the 2 dimensions of your intelligence. Activating the heart center, connecting to your heart wisdom. Continuing to allow your natural breath now flowing in and out through the nose, if that resonates for you. Lengthening through the spine, feeling the crown of your head. Imagining a shower of golden white light pouring upon you as you connect to your unique soul star. Feeling grounded, connected, protected. Now inviting a lotus hand gesture, bringing the hands into a lotus flower at the heart center. We have different layers of being. We have our physical layer of being. We have our breath layer of being. And then we have our mental, emotional layer of being. And this layer, where our mind dwells, in our energy field. We are often told that we're separate from one another. We're separate from source. We're separate from Mother Nature. Because our mind is designed to discern, to distinguish between things. But sometimes we need to put all those categories aside and rest in that inner sanctum within, our love essence, that treasure that we often find ourselves seeking outside of ourselves. And yet, we can find it within. And it doesn't remove the mind dwelling here. It simply gives the mind a break. So continuing to exhale any thoughts that are arising, any emotions of anxiety or agitation, allowing them to dissolve with your exhale as you bring your awareness to your heart center. And with your hands open into Lotus, imagining a beautiful lotus flower coming into full bloom here in the palms of your hand. As this lotus blossoms and expands, you feel the heart from your very own being also blossom and expand. And the lotus flower becomes bigger and bigger and bigger until you find that you're sitting in the lotus flower. Love from your heart, from your being, is expanding 2-3 feet, 2 meters, expanding out. Continuing to allow the breath to flow in and out. Just take some rest as you dwell in this beautiful, blossoming lotus flower. That has bloomed out of your own love essence. And at any point, if you want to drop to rest them, whatever feels comfortable to you. And if thoughts come through the mind, just bringing the awareness gently back to the heart center in this beautiful lotus flower that you're dwelling in. And you can utter, I am love. In Sanskrit, it's aham Prema. I am love. Aham Prema. Taking a few more moments to enjoy your love essence. resting here in your inner sanctum. As you continue to dwell in this expansive, blooming lotus, message the cosmos in your own personal way how you would like to deepen love in your life. Imagining how it would feel to experience that love that you know is your destiny. Bringing your awareness back to your breath and your sit bones. Calling yourself back to this 3D reality. And taking a moment to say, I love you, mind. It's okay, I understand. You are what you are. I've got you, mind. Yes, our minds need a little love. Then calling yourself here fully by your name. I am here now. You can even put your hands on the floor to ground back in. Taking a couple more breaths. I am here. I am here. You are zero distance from that love you desire. Take time each day to come back to that deep treasure in your heart. Peace.